everybody! Yesterday we found the volume of a sphere given the radius. Today we're finding the volume of a sphere given the diameter. We're using the same formula, which is volume equals 4/3 times pi times the radius times the radius times the radius, or V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. The difference is today we're using the diameter, which goes all the way from one side of the sphere to the other, instead of the radius, which just goes from the center of the sphere to the edge. Okay, so we're going to pretend that this picture looks like a sphere. I know it's not very good. Just pretend it looks like a three-dimensional ball shape. Okay, like a basketball or a baseball or something like that. Okay, this is a diameter of my sphere. You can tell it's a diameter because it goes from one side of the sphere to the other side through the middle of the sphere. So that is the diameter of the sphere. Now, my formula doesn't have diameter in it. It only has radius. So I know the diameter, but I can't use it. I instead have to use it to find the radius. So if this is my diameter, diameter divided by 2 gives me radius. So 4 is my radius, if 8 is my diameter. So now I have the radius is 4, so I just use that in my formula. So volume is 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed, or times radius times radius times radius. I'm going to plug in volume equals 4/3. For pi, I'm going to put in 3.14. And then for radius, I'm going to do 4 times 4 times 4, because cubed means you have it 3 times. Now I'm just going to put that in my calculator. 4/3 times 3.14 times 4 times 4 times 4. And when I do that, I wind up with 267.946 repeating. On tonight's homework, you're going to round to the nearest tenth, and you will get it wrong if you do not round correctly. Nearest tenth is the number after the decimal, so in this case 9. To see what to round to, I look at this number. If it is 5 or over, this number goes up. If it's 4 or under, this number stays the same. Since it's a 4, I'm not going to change this number. I'm just going to cross those out, and my volume is going to be about 267.9. And that will be my answer for volume of this sphere. If you have any questions, please email me.